marami palang gamit ang mga sa palagay natin ay trash para sa atin, no? So, maraming gamit, and don't you know that you can make money or you can save money out of trash and recycled materials, yung mga used na materials. So, wag na po tayong lumayo sa ating kitchen. Marami po tayong mapakinabangan doon. Una na dyan, ang mga used butane cup, yung mga water bottle, yung mga bottle cap, yun. And today, on my next video, I will make a Christmas ornaments out of this bottled water cap. O, diba? So, kung mapapansin nyo po, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng madaming glitters kasi gusto ko po ipakita yung pinaka-raw and original items, material. Okay? Alright, so diba? Ganyan lang kasimple. Mayroon ka ng Christmas ornaments, nakatipid ka na, nakatulong pa po tayo sa kalikasan. Okay? Rather than itatapon. Biruin mo, isa-isang household, how many water bottle cap, ng mga plastic materials na itatapon natin. Eh kung tinatabi po natin yon for future purposes, like for this one, for seasonal purposes, like for Christmas. So, wag na po natin silang itapon from now on. Kailangan maging creative lang po talaga kayo. And of course, yung oras. Like me, ako po ay nagkaroon po talaga ng bag dyan sa pag-iisip sa paggawa nitong mga Christmas ornament out of recycled materials. Okay? So, alam ko, excited na po kayo, and abangan po natin ang aking mga Christmas ornaments out of recycled materials na isasabit ko sa aking raw Christmas tree. Okay? See you! Thank you!
Welcome back on my YouTube channel, guys. On my next video, we will do again another used products or recycled items, Christmas ornaments out of these items. Okay, plastic bottled water cap. Alright, soda pin, the most famous used recycled items. We will need ribbon, of course, scissor, and used ribbons from my previous Christmas items last year. Okay, so gagawa po tayo ng Christmas balls out of this bottled water caps, plastic caps. Parang ito na yung kanyang finished products. Sample. So, as simple as that lang. Kasi meron na tayo mga color red, color yellow gold, and green. So this time, para ma-complete natin yung color, so magkaroon tayo ng blue. Okay? Alright, so alam ko excited na kayo kung anong magiging itsura. Hindi lang po, sample lang po ito. So, magkaroon po tayo ng variety of Christmas balls out of this bottled water can. Alright? See you!
So we will now start the process of making the Christmas ball ornaments. And this time, our recycled and used materials is the water bottle cap. This one, okay. I chose blue color because we already had gold, red, yellow on the previous ornaments that I made. So this time I used blue color to complete the Christmas color. Okay, so let's see. First, we need to make this cap a handle. We will make a handle out of it, like this one. This one. Okay. Okay, so we need to cut this. There you go. Okay, and so I already had two, and then I will make this as a partner. So we will cut the other one.
The other one has no handle, and the other one has a handle. Like this. Okay, we will glue this together. Glue that. There. Guys, as you can see or as you can observe, I don't use so much of the glitter on my recycled and used Christmas ornaments because I want to show the raw I mean as much as possible. I want to show the organic materials of the recycled items. Okay, of course if you put some glitters here, hindi na siya makikita yung pinaka-original item. Hindi na nila ma-recognize. Oh, ano pala yan? Used blue, bottled water cup pala yan. Okay? Ito na yung ating ito na yung ating Christmas ball that we need to decorate. We put something para magiging colorful. Okay, this used ribbon. This is the ribbon from my Christmas tree last year. So again, rather than throw this again to the trash can, tinipon ko talaga siya para mapakinabangan siya. Okay, mahilig ako sa ganyan guys. Hindi ako nagtatapon. Okay, don't you know that there's money in trash? Nag-cut tayo ng ribbon. Ayan. Then, we will wrap around here. We will wrap. Okay? Glue this. Kailangan mainit na mainit yung glue. Ayan. Next, we need to cut this gold glittered foam paper para ilagay natin dito. Yan, sa soda pin. So make sure when you cut na measure nyo na po kung kakasya ba siya sa ating soda pin. Ayan. Lalagay natin dito. Like this one. And then, we put it here. We make sure that this soda pin will be on the center of this bottled water cap, like that. Okay, glue this. Ayan. Dito rin po sa likod. Ayan. Cut this. Of course, we need to put a soda pin on the center. Like that. Nanginginig yung kamay ko kasi ang dami ko nang ginawa kanina po. Ayan. Blue. Kaya gumamit ako ng glittered foam paper para hindi na po ako maglagay ng mga glitters dyan. Actually, yung pinakagastos ko lang po dito ay mga ribbons, glue, stick, and this foam paper, yung glittered foam paper. Other than that, the rest, lahat po sila ay recycled items. So, yun na yun po. That's it. That's it. This is now our finished products. And I made some variety of colors. So, yan ay nakahang yan sa, sa Christmas tree. This is one of the ornaments in my Christmas tree. And by the way, guys, again, parati kong inuulit, ang atin pong Christmas tree ay organic din po. Galing po siya sa gubat. Tangan-tangan, sabi nga dito sa Saipan. Tangan-tangan, okay? So, tingnan natin kung anong resulta. Ay, naku, I'm very excited. So, that's it, guys. Okay, I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, give some comments or suggestions, and then like and share, and press the bell button, okay, para ma-update po kayo every time po na nag-upload ako ng aking video sa YouTube channel po. Okay, stay tuned for another DIY recycled items para sa mga Christmas ornaments. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye.